Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and today we're looking at a brand new knife cleaning mat from nafs.com. If you're not familiar with nafs, you're like, what the heck is it? Just imagine you're saying knives or knifes in kind of a weird way, so like nafs. Right, so this is actually run by Ben Peterson. A lot of people know Ben from Blade HQ, and then he was over at CRKT, and then he was back at Blade HQ, and now he's has a different job doing some other things, not at Blade HQ anymore, but he's still very connected to the knife industry. And so he made this, he sent one to me. He's a solid guy. And I was like, hey, can I promote that? And he was like, sure. So, a place where you can shoot videos, which I'm going to be doing. I'll use this as a background sometimes. You can clean your knives, you can repair your knives, and this just got cool information on it. So the different components of a knife, and then you've got kind of like different angles looking at it, different blade or different grinds, different blade styles, some information on maintenance on the bottom. He also has a really cool knife poster that's been quite popular, and you can head over to knafs.com to pick it up, or I've got links down below in the description section. You can go over to Amazon if you want to pick up one of these as well. So I'm not promoting this for any other reason that A, it's a cool product, and B, I think Ben is a great guy. So if you don't want to use the Amazon link, no problem. Go over to knafs.com and support Ben. It's just cool. It's just a cool little thing. That's why this is a short video, but I wanted to let you know about it. Ben's been just a huge supporter of my channel, and it's been really great to get to know him, not just as a knife and outdoor enthusiast, but as a friend as well. So, yeah, just want to let you guys know about this. knafs.com, nafs.com. Check it out. Support Ben. Support the knife industry. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.